In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your designs on Canva. If you've created something and want to get back to it quickly, or you're organizing your work, this simple walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to find what you need without any guesswork. First, make sure you're on Canva's main dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, featuring a clean layout with recommended templates, recent work, and a left-hand sidebar. Being on the dashboard gives you a clear starting point and ensures all navigation options are visible. If you've been working in an editor tab or browsing templates, just return to the main dashboard so everything is easy to access. From the main dashboard, look over to the left vertical sidebar and click Projects. This is your central hub for anything you've saved. Think of projects as your personal library. It neatly organizes your work and gives you one place to browse designs, assets, and items you've collected. Clicking Projects takes you to a focused view, where finding past work is simpler than scanning the entire homepage. Inside Projects, you'll see Categories, and under the Designs category is where your actual designs live. This is the place to view the things you've created in Canva, whether they're presentations, social posts, posters, or documents. You'll notice thumbnails with titles and the last edited time, which helps you quickly spot what you're looking for. If you have a lot of designs, scroll to load more. Because Canva auto-saves your work, anything you've edited should appear here without you needing to manually save it. If you want to find something specific faster, use the search bar at the top. Type in a keyword you remember from the title, a phrase you included in the design, or even the type of project, like poster or presentation. As you type, Canva will start surfacing results that match your query, helping you narrow things down quickly. Even partial names or a single distinctive word can be enough to pull up the right design. This is especially helpful when you've worked on many projects and don't want to scroll through a long list. And that's it. Start at the main dashboard, click Projects on the left, view your work under the Designs category, and use the search bar if you need to pinpoint something quickly. With these steps, getting back to your designs is fast, organized, and stress-free.